So here's the motor mount. I removed it. This is the right side, which is passenger side. I'm gonna go and close it. You see how they crack on the bottom. So it's pretty hard to see this when it's engine in, because engine pushes down, pressure on it and closes those gaps real tight and nice that you can't really tell that it's cracked, but they will tend to vibrate. And it's also on top. You see how much gap is right there. It will lower down as well at the same time. So the other one is right there. So that one is not as bad. It's not cracked, but it did drop. I can see it's lower, like almost a 1/4 inch than it should be. See, it's also lower. So I'm gonna be replacing that one too. It's a lot easier when it's engine out. This is the old one. The driver side, left side. See right here on top, the gap, and down on the bottom. But when it's engine on, pressed down, when it's pressed down, it goes even lower, and you can really see that as much. But you see how big gap is on the top right there. Now you see we're gonna compare it to new one. This is a new one. See, we don't have almost no gap on top, just a little bit, and then down here it's pretty nice. So actually, when the motor mount goes back, not only that will crack right there, but also your engine's lower. This is for good 1/2 inch. You can see the difference. The one on the left, this is new and this is old. So your engine drops down lower. But that does also tilts it up engine at the transmission end too. Everything is locked together. The transmission has also brackets and stuff, mounts that makes them flexible to move up and down. But it kind of to move up and down but go back on a place where it was is not designed to stay constantly down. So when this lowers it down, it keeps the pressure on the transmission mounts also. And believe it or not, motor engine can start having problems if you're driving them so long that we drop this much, you know. And then plus you might feel vibration and all kind of stuff with it. So that's the difference between new one and old one for 2012 Audi A4 Quattro.